The world has changed significantly over the last few years. Even before the pandemic, recruiters were starting to see the benefits of online video conferencing. Then 2020 happened and the digital world proved that online meetings work. And 63% of recruitment leaders agree that far from hindering the process, online meetings can be just as effective. Microsoft Teams is unique in its ability to enhance the recruitment process, not least because it integrates with the full Outlook 365 stack. So how can Teams help you become a more effective recruiter and keep you fixated on your 4 C's? Over the course of this HIIT, we'll explore how Teams can help you create meetings that candidates and clients want to attend. We'll look at some cool tips and tricks to help you stay laser focused, manage your time, and increase productivity. Plus, with Teams, you don't have to be in the same room or even the same country to feel connected to your colleagues.